Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and keep going with our 12 days of Christmas, and I'm going to show you how to make your home smell just like Christmas. I'm going to give you 3 simple, easy ways to fragrance your home. Here in Florida, we don't have seasons. We have one season, that's summer. So I have to fragrance my home to change with the seasons, which is fine, but I'm wearing a scarf and a sweater and it's 85 degrees outside. So I love to come into my home and smell Christmas, smell the nutmegs, the cinnamons, the peppermints. I love things like that. It automatically puts me in the mood. So I'm going to show you how to fragrance your entire home with the smell of Christmas. Let's get started. This recipe can be no simpler. I love to use fresh, organic products in my home, especially for my body. I take it very seriously, and I like to use anything that doesn't have chemicals in it. I picked up these seasonings and herbs from the islands, Grenada, and I picked up those oranges from the market. I'm going to take some cloves, some rosemary. I grow rosemary in my backyard, but since there's a drought right now in Florida, it has dried out, so I had to buy some. Slice down the oranges into small slices, very small slices. Add this into my orange spice simmer, and it makes the entire house smell amazing. You just want to go ahead and throw them into the simmering boiling water, and be careful not to burn yourself. You can eyeball the products if you like, and you can step them up as much as you like, or you can take away some things if you don't like it, if it's too strong. But I love my home to be at a strong smell. This smells amazing. It smells just like Christmas. You can also take these cinnamon sticks and throw them into there, and they really boost up the smell of the aromas. I like to use fresh nutmeg. I picked up the grater from the island of Grenada, and I'm going to shave the nutmeg into the simmer. And comment below and let me know if you have tried this or you want to try it. I can guarantee you it'll make your home smell good for at least 2 days. What I really love about this recipe is you can actually save it. I save everything and put it inside a Ziploc bag and put it away for when I have company, and when my company leaves, I drink it as tea. I use it as a detox as well. You can put apple cider vinegar in there, or you can drink it by itself. And there you have it. That's our first natural remedy, tea and home fragrance. Next, I would like to move on to my diffuser. I love to use aromatherapy oils. They are very good for you, especially when you're stressed. They're very relaxing, very calming. They help in many ways. I use them as spray. I use them on my towels. I use them inside the dryer on wool balls. Peppermint oil smells just like Christmas. And I also love to burn candles to fragrance my home. This is orchard apples, and I also have partridge in a pear tree. These candles are from HomeWorx, and they are by Slatkin, and I really love these candles. These are soy candles with essential blended oils. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a thumbs up and let me know you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for day 7. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.